Children, we eat different kinds of food. But why do we need food to eat? As car needs fuel, so do we need food to live and grow. But do you think all children get proper food to eat? There are many underprivileged children who have very less or no food to eat. But have you seen children who do not understand the value of food and throw tantrums in eating? People even throw food in dustbin. But there are many children who are forced out of hunger to eat from dustbins or food thrown on roadsides. What can we do to control this situation? So here is a piece of knowledge. While earning your daily bread, be sure you share a slice with those who are less fortunate. Now, what are the types of food that we have? We can categorize whatever we eat into junk food and healthy food. Now, junk food is a food which is pre-prepared or packaged. This has very low nutritional value. Junk food is an unhealthy food. What are the effects of junk food? It causes pain in stomach, fatness, and depression. On the other hand, healthy food is one that helps maintain or improve overall health. So, say no to junk food. What do you want to become? Choice is yours. Fit or unfit?
So SSS means side, side, side. Now when two triangles are given and we have to compare that the two triangles are congruent or not, what we see, angles from one triangle should be equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, and the sides from one triangle should also be equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle. So there are total 6 elements. So do we need all the 6 elements to find whether the two triangles are congruent or not? No, not necessarily. So there is some criteria for the triangles to be congruent. Already we have seen some of the criteria like SAS, side, angle, side. Then ASA, angle, side, angle. And the third one AAS, angle, angle, side. And today we will see SSS, side, side, side. Let us see what it is. When two triangles are given, we have to compare the 3 sides of one triangle to the 3 sides of the other triangle. Suppose here we are comparing, then we can see the pink side of one triangle is equal to the pink side of the other triangle. Similarly, white side of one triangle is also equal to the white side of the other triangle. And lastly, we can say the blue side of one triangle is equal to the blue side of the other triangle. So is it clear to you that the SSS congruency means the sides must be same in both the triangles? So SSS congruency, we see that two triangles are congruent only when the 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. So here comes the postulates. What is the postulate? If 3 sides of a triangle are congruent to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Are known as slip rings. So we can see in the figure that 2 rings are represented by R1 and R2. These rings are attached to the 2 ends of the coil, and they also rotate along with the coil, and they have the same axis of rotation. Now, the fourth part is the brushes. Now we have two graphite rods, they are called brushes, and they lightly pressed against the two slip rings. The brushes B1 and B2, you can see over here, they remain fixed in their position and they maintain the sliding contact with the rotational slip rings S1 and S2 respectively. And it is these brushes that the current induced in the armature coil is fed to the external circuit by means of the line wires. So the last part, that is the fifth part, is the load. Now these two brushes, they are connected to the load through which the current passes, and this provides the output. Output can be taken across the load. So now we have the 5 parts: field magnet, armature coil, slip rings, brushes, and the load. And that is the construction of your AC generator. Now this coil is free to rotate about at the axis. So it rotates either in the clockwise or in the anti-clockwise direction. So you can see the direction of rotation of the coil is also anti-clockwise. Now let us consider the working of this AC generator. So we should move to the next slide.
Today I am going to tell you something about learning while doing or learning by doing. We will learn the concept by doing it. Children will do the activity and we will confirm the concept through the activity. So the concept is interior angle property of polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure formed by line segment. Triangle is a polygon having 3 line segments. Quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 line segments. Pentagon is a polygon having 5 line segments, and so on. So today's topic is what is the interior angle property of all polygon and how do we find out the interior sum of all the interior angles of a polygon.
Hello everyone, we are the students of class 8th are going to perform an activity to investigate the sum of interior angles of a polygon. Myself, Yogya Rasmi. To perform this activity, we will require some materials like chart paper, colored sketch pens, pair of scissors, adhesive and ruler. I am going to show you the Anderson property of a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Look this triangle ABC. It has 3 angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. We will first verify the sum of these 3 angles to their adapt to 180 degree. For this, I have prepared the replica of angle A, replica of angle B and replica of angle C. Now we will arrange the replicas in such a way they will form a straight line. Therefore, the sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. This is a replica of angle A. This is a replica of angle B. This is a replica of angle C. From this, we observe that the sum of these 3 angles is 180 degree.
पे डिस्कशन करेंगे उनके फिज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे कि मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स की फ़िज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ कैसी होती हैं और कौन कौन सी फ़िज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमें देखने को मिलती हैं। वैसे जनरली फ़िज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स में हम लोग मैलेबिलिटी, डक्टिलिटी, इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन, हीट कंडक्शन, लस्टर, हार्डनेस, सॉफ्टनेस और भी बहुत सारी फ़िज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं जो हम लोग आज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम एक फ़िज़िकल प्रॉपर्टी लेते हैं, मैलेबिलिटी। मैलेबिलिटी का क्या मतलब है? मैलेबिलिटी का मतलब वो प्रॉपर्टी मेटल्स की जिससे हम मेटल्स को थिन शीट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। सपोज करिए कि हमारे पास आयरन है, कोल है, ये मान लीजिए आयरन का एक पीस, फिर यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोल भी है, इसको ब्लैक कलर से कर देते हैं हम लोग। अब हम लोग एक मेरे पास मेटल है और दूसरा नॉन मेटल है। हम लोग इनको हैमरिंग करते हैं, इनकी हैमरिंग करते हैं, इसको खूब हैमर से मारते हैं। तो हम ये देखते हैं कि आयरन को हम लोग जब हैमरिंग करते हैं तो आयरन का जो साइज़ है उसको हम लोग बिल्कुल थिन कर लेते हैं, बहुत पतला कर देते हैं। दूसरी तरफ हम लोग कोल को हैमरिंग करते हैं तो कोल की को थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते। तो वो प्रॉपर्टी मेटल्स की जिसमें कि मेटल्स को हम लोग थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट कर लें, थिन शीट में उनको चेंज कर दें, उनको ऐसे मोल्ड कर दें, उनके शेप और साइज को चेंज करें कि वो बिल्कुल थिन हो जाए, पतला हो जाए, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि वो मैलेबल है। तो यहाँ
Now, what are haloalkanes? We all know what are halogens. Halogens are X, represented by generally X. They are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So, what are haloalkanes and haloarenes? Halogen substituted alkanes, hydrocarbons, are known as haloalkanes, and if this hydrocarbon is aromatic, then it will be called as haloarenes. So we can say halogen substituted. We have to substitute. Suppose this is simplest hydrocarbon alkane CH4. If you substitute its hydrogen atom by any halogen atom, then it is known as haloalkane. So in this case, in haloalkanes, this is hydrocarbon and this it should be aliphatic hydrocarbon, open chain hydrocarbon. And in case of haloarenes, these are aromatic. If we substitute hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms, then it will be known as haloarene. This is the basic difference between haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here, hydrogen of aliphatic hydrocarbon will be substituted, in here hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon. Suppose if you have taken this case, this is aromatic, but if you have taken this case, this is what? This is not. This is haloarene. This is not haloalkane, because hydrogen of aliphatic hydrocarbon is substituted by halogen atom. This is aromatic hydrogen. If it is substituted by halogen atom, in that case it will be called as haloarene. So I'm sure it is clear what are haloalkanes and what are.
तो बेसिकली ये चैप्टर हमने इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि आप देख रहे हैं लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में आपके पास बुक्स अवेलेबल नहीं है। जनरल एंट्रीज आपको स्ट्रांग है आपकी, जैसे कि रिजल्ट आया देख रहे हैं हम लोग, तो जनरल एंट्री बेस पे ये पूरा टॉपिक है। 90% पोर्शन इसका पूरा जो हम लोग सीखेंगे वो जनरल एंट्री पे सीखेंगे। और ये टॉपिक आपका, इसकी थ्योरी पोर्शन हम आपको जो बता चुके हैं 11th में, वही चीजें हैं, इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है। क्या क्या पढ़ना है आइए हम लोग देखते हैं इस टॉपिक में हम लोग ने क्या क्या पढ़ना है। हमने जूम क्लासेस के थ्रू हमने ये 3 पोर्शन आपको कंप्लीट करा दिए थे। एक बार फिर से आपको दिखाते हैं ये चारों पोर्शन। पहला है कंपनी क्या होती है, फीचर्स ऑफ कंपनी। दूसरा है काइंड्स ऑफ अ कंपनी। तीसरा है शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ अ कंपनी। फिर नेचर एंड क्लासेस ऑफ अ शेयर्स। देन टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू शो द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ the procedure, the accounting treatment of the issue of shares. शेयर्स कैसे इश्यू होते हैं वो हम आपको आप बताएंगे। जरा सा रिव्यू करते हैं कि कंपनी क्या होती है। कंपनीज में आपने पहले पढ़ा था 1956 का, फिर रजिस्टर्ड अपडेटेड करके 2013 हो गया। इस तरह से कंपनीज के बारे में आपने डेफिनेशन भी पढ़ ली है। कंपनीज एन आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन क्रिएटेड बाय लॉ हैविंग अ परपेचुअल सक्सेशन विद अ कॉमन सील, ये सारी चीजें आप पढ़ चुके हैं, इसके फीचर पढ़ चुके हैं। एवरीथिंग यू हैव ऑलरेडी रीड इट। ना काइंड्स ऑफ कंपनी में पहले आपने पढ़ी थी कि दो ही तरह की कंपनी होती थी, सुना भी था आपने, प्राइवेट कंपनी और पब्लिक कंपनी। लेटेस्ट जो इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था 1% कंपनी ओपीसी, उसके बारे में भी हमने आपको बताया था। देन कम टू द शेयर कैपिटल। कंपनीज की जो कैपिटल होती है दैट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू अ स्मॉल पार्ट, द डिनोमिनेशन ऑफ दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड अ शेयर्स एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड अ शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ द कंपनी। सरल भाषा में कंपनी की जो कैपिटल होगी उसको हम लोग शेयर कैपिटल के रूप में बोलेंगे। अब वो शेयर कैपिटल शेयर्स कितने तरह के होते हैं वो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमने जूम क्लासेस में आपको बताया।
Good morning, all of you children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So stay home, stay safe. Okay? In English class, today you have to observe some pictures and then complete the answer. So look at the pictures and complete the answers. So children, see this picture, and what is this? This is a chair. This is a chair. So you have to write here chair, chair, chair. Okay? Now see this one. What is this? This is a fish. So you have to write here fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Now next one. What is this? This is a tree. This is a tree. So you have to write here tree. Now next picture. What is this? This is a butterfly. So write it here. Butterfly. And your answer will be this is a butterfly. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is a horse. This is a horse. So you have to write here horse. Next one. See this picture. What is this? Yes, try to find out. This is a bag. So you have to write here B-A-G, bag. Okay? And your answer will be this is a bag. So children, learn these spellings and write it in your copy and learn it. Okay? Thank you, beta. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Problems of the two. These two characters. Mr. Lamb was an old person who had a tin leg because his leg was blown off by a bomb in the war. He is alone but positive, accepting, inviting, serving for others, knows that there is no one supporting him, yet doesn't complain. Derry's half face has got burnt due to acid. He developed inferiority complex, became unsocial and introvert. Thought people hated him and talked about his ugly face only. Further, he has a more cheerful, optimistic approach to life. Also, he conveys Derry to live life to the fullest and avoid bitterness. He further advises him to accept life as it is. However, Derry was moved by Mr. Lamb's attitude and spirit. Besides, when Derry tries to come out of his shell, he met a great loss of the only person who makes friends with him. In this slide, we will see how they have tried to read the play with expressions. So let us enjoy this slide. You will see and try to enjoy it.
is empty until I go back inside. In the meantime, I'm out here and likely to stop. A day like this, a beautiful day, not a day to be indoors. I've got to go. Not on my account. I don't.
As you can see, they are trying their best to give expressions to the dialogues.